Hey, thanks for joining. So I decided to make this channel because summer is coming up, and I thought it might be fun to document some of the hikes that I do with my dog Lola and John, and hopefully I can inspire you guys to get out there in nature and explore this summer. Also, I know that when I started hiking, it was super overwhelming, and looking up videos of the hikes that I wanted to do really helped me get better prepared and get in a better mental space. On this day, I went with my buddy Armando and his dog Axel to do Three Finger Jack in Canyon Creek Meadows. I used Alltrails to get me to the trailhead. The hike is about 4.5 hours south of Portland. 30 of those minutes you will be driving up a gravel road. As a reference, I have a Mazda 3 and it did well. This hike is a loop. It's about 7.5 miles. The video will only show how to get to the base of Three Finger Jack, which is about half the hike. If you want to finish the hike, you would just continue clockwise, but I will leave full detail in the description below. And if you like the video, please like it, follow or comment, and yeah, enjoy. Finally at the trailhead, we are... Oh shit, I can't see anything. Well, supposed to do one of these. Lola's super anxious. Apparently it's this way. So on this one, I believe that we have to go, so we have to go that way. Hey Lola. Come on, go on ahead. I need to see you guys. Come on, go. So we're still under the tree line. I'm exhausted. The trail's not too bad. It's a very low incline, but I wasn't sure how much water there was gonna be, so I brought a lot, and it's kicking my butt. Good thing there's a little shade and it's not too hot today. Lola! John, come! Good boy, good girl. Their recall seems to be pretty decent. I know I'm not supposed to have them off leash, but I figured if their recall is good enough, it should be fine. So we're still walking so far. At the beginning of the trail, we took a right and then we took a left, and we just followed the trail, and we're starting to get to at least be able to see a little bit of Three Finger Jack. We should get closer. Anyways, a little bit about John. He is 5 years old. I got him from All Terrier Rescue, and he's been hiking with me ever since. I always get him really cool jackets because he gets cold. Anything below 60 degrees, he's just freezing. So, but anyways, look at this view. Lola, come! Look at that. It's amazing. Lola, come! And Lola, I actually got her from Milwaukee Animal Shelter. They got her from Mexico. She's supposed to be a lab whippet mix. And yeah, she was supposed to top out at like 35 pounds. and she is currently 18 months and 65 pounds. So I hope that's her limit. But she's a great dog. It took John a while to get warm up to her, but now they're really good hiking buddies. And we're coming to the third fork. It says, the map says to take a left. Oh, that's Axel. He's about 10 months. He's a giant husky, an amazing husky actually. So we're supposed to go left, up that way, and it'll take us back around through this trail, and then we can go back that way. Hey, you guys, come on now. They play kind of rough.
I know, John, he's crazy.
Anyways, we are on our way. So if you take, the dogs are actually pretty tired. If you take the loop on the left, or the route to the left, you'll come across this beauty right here, and we're gonna see where it takes us. Lola, you tired? So we made it to somewhat the top. We got lost, we did the loop twice, but we made it. Fun stuff.
Oscar ya graba.